Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Measure and assemble ingredients before you start. 4 ounces tequila, 2 ounces triple sec, 2 ounces lime juice, 1 ounce agave or 1/2 cup simple syrup, and 2 cups crushed ice. Use fresh limes for best flavor. Reserve a lime wedge for the rim. If using frozen fruit, substitute 1 cup frozen fruit plus 1 cup ice to equal 2 cups total. Have a blender that handles ice and a jigger for accurate pouring to keep consistency. Start by pulsing the blender 3 times to break up large ice chunks, then blend at high speed for 20 to 30 seconds until smooth. If the mixture is too runny, add 1/4 cup more ice and blend for 10 seconds. If too thick, add 1 tablespoon water or lime juice and pulse. Aim for a creamy but pourable texture similar to a milkshake, and scrape down the sides once to reincorporate solids for an even frozen margarita. Wet the glass rim with a lime wedge and dip into coarse salt or superfine sugar, depending on your preference. This anchors flavor to each sip. Pour the blended margarita into a 12-ounce glass and garnish with a lime wedge or a slice of frozen fruit for visual appeal. Serve immediately for optimal texture. If making batches, keep a pre-chilled pitcher in the freezer and transfer to glasses without refreezing to preserve the creamy consistency. And
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.